You may notice that the shop's looking a little bit different right now. I have this big lane cleared out in the center, and we have the front coned off. It's a big day here. Have a CNC arriving today, so just about a week ago, I bought a Holzer CNC at auction. I was able to get it for a really good deal. It's a 2015, it's a 5x10, it's a Lynx 7511. Not a super common machine, but I was able to get it for $10,501. So with the 15% buyer's commission, it was $12,076. So a pretty good deal. Like I said, it's a 2015, so it's only 10 years old. Holzer is an Austrian company owned by Weinig, who make molders. It's one of the best molders, if not the best molder out there. So a very heavy-duty machine, weighs about 9,000 pounds, and in probably about, I don't know, between 30 minutes and an hour, it's going to be arriving here. We've cleared out this whole area, had to rearrange the shop a bit. So we had all these cabinets back here, and we had all these cabinets over here. So I've sort of relocated some stuff temporarily over here, and I've pulled all the machines over so they have a clear path. As they arrive, we're going to show you how the machine shows up on a truck, how they're going to get it off with a forklift and get it in here. Yeah, you can do that little scoring pass. There's that button. It has like a little red line on it. Push that in and then run a scoring pass and then bring it back.
You need to put a like a fall back.
You have to get 2 pieces. Go get another piece. Put a piece of rock or rock or something.
You got a foot here. Bring it in. Down, down. I got a foot on my side.
Some I have to go.
Proceed forward. Stay. Middle to your right. Alright, stay. Doing good. Doing good. You got 3 feet on your right. And 3 feet on your left. Stay. Stay. You got 2 feet on your right. Head down, slow. Yeah, good.
All right. I don't know if that was stressful for you guys. It was stressful for me. I feel like I aged a couple of years there. But no, those guys were really good. Pros, they do really difficult rigging jobs all the time. So this was like a pretty easy one for them. They were even telling me that they had to take a CNC, turn it sideways, and bring it through a man door last week. So this was an easy one for them. Here it is. So now the steps to get this thing running, I need to take all this stuff down. So we have a transformer here. So this is like runs off, I forget, 460 or 480 volt. This transforms the 208 that I have, or 230, up to the 460. This is the electrical cabinet. Sorry, we have everything on, so you might hear some of the compressor. But this, is the brain box of the machine. Computer gets hooked up here. So I need to hook up dust collection. I actually need to find another dust collector, electrical and air. And actually, like a month from today, I'll have Holzer up here, and we'll have a week of setting up the machine. So they'll do the actual install, getting it level, hooking up all the plumbing, that kind of stuff. And then we'll do training on the machine. There's a bunch of parts over here. There's safety mats. So these are actually like, I don't know exactly how they work, but they're like pressure sensitive mats. So you lay them out, and if you step on this, it actually e-stops the machine. Some piping here for the vacuum pump. We have a 25 horsepower Becker pump. That's for the vacuum hold down. So this table will actually suck the spoil board down and then suck the parts to it. And there's a gasket here. We have like the computer, the monitor. Looks like it came with some free hearing protection. A little worse for wear, but I'm gonna have to dig into all this stuff and see what's what. We have tools and tool holders that look like maybe they got a little rusty, but I have new tools coming. So now I have a month to prepare, and hopefully the week of August 4th, this will be set up and run, and you guys will be some of the first to see it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this specific machine, or if there's a video that you'd like to see, let us know. We'll talk to you next week.